Alright, for the people who don't know, elephant ears and Eddoes is not the same plant. Please do your research before you start eating these plants, because elephant ears and Eddoes almost look the same. Alright, so by you seeing this and look at a Eddoe or a dashweed, you might believe it's the same plant. So guys, please do your research. Make sure you know what plant you have before you start eating. Okay, because I promote Eddoes on my channel, but I also tell you that I have no idea whether elephant ears is edible or not. But I know Eddoes is edible because I've been eating it all my life. So make sure you know about Eddoes and elephant ears before you start eating. Peace.